And I use them when I can, but obviously no. Alright, so... Oh, here we go. So we got New Mexico on a Warspite. Look at that. Dang, his survivability. But we got torpedoes, and he don't. And we got maneuverability and concealment. I mean, we are a cruiser. So let's see. And I think our max range is 16.5. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that flag. That's a big flag right there, guys. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Alright, yeah, so we've got more guns in the aft section of the ship. We do have to remember that. We've got a little Clemson here. He's so cute. This thing's quick. Feeling the engine speed up. Yeah, the Warspite is pretty accurate, Shane. That is absolutely true. And it's got really good rudder shift. So it's good at dodging torps. Alright, if I'm supported by a Cleveland... Something like that. Mostly preview stuff. Alright, so I don't want to be the first one in. Yeah, because we got really good range. I don't know. What's the range on the Cleveland, guys? Just for a reference point. Actually, screw that. What's the range on an Aoba? In a New Mexico? Yep, we've been detected. So let's not get... Let's get moving so we're not sitting targets. Dang. We're gonna do the anti-aircraft. There are 2 carriers, 2 bogues. We've got a Zuiho. So in terms of total number of squadrons, we should have an advantage. 812 viewers! Over 800. Yeah, it's this is the Nurnberg, Doctor. Okay. Switch to armor piercing. First licks of the game. Can we give him back? Oh, splash, splash, splash. Yeah, we gotta turn around. We're the first one here, so we're getting focused, but, you know. Gotta watch out for that Aoba, that's what I gotta do. Man, everyone's over there. Destroyer. Destroyer sighted. Oh yeah, see? Here we go. We're gonna be in a pretty good position, being able to run away and fire 2 turrets. Look at how fast the reload is, man. These things. I mean, it is a cruiser. For some reason, I'm thinking it's a battleship. New Mexico. Come on. Yeah, dude. They're numbers-wise, they're all over here. Our team is not. Goodness. It's a running retreat. There's 2 of us versus how many of them? What the tits? Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a donation from Cyrus the Virus 85. $5. First time on Twitch. Hey man, welcome to the stream. If this is your first time on Twitch and you are on this stream, tell you what, man, I love that. That's great stories to hear, man. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for the support, sir. Everyone in the chat, let's give a little salute to Cyrus the Virus for his support. Can I please lock onto that?
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Yeah, the enemy team's kicking butt, bro. Our team's just disorganized. Okay, and there's, what, me and this friend here. I gotta get over there, through this archipelago. I don't know what to do. There's too many of them, you know? There's just too many of them. Alright, Furutaka sighted. These are looking okay. Magazine! Magazine! Citadel! All the goodies! Those were too high. Titties. Alright, our armor-piercing rounds tend to do nothing. Detected, detected, detected. Wait, not even any decent hits, really. Oh, he turned it in now. Alright. Let's navigate these islands using the minimap and that little line. I don't know, man. I don't know what we should be doing here. Those were decent hits. A lot of bounces. I think we're gonna switch to HE soon. This is just not working right here. Watch us get like a citadel or something. That'd be, I mean, we need that. Furutaka sighted. I like the fire rate, the accuracy, and everything like that. But as far as how we're doing with AP rounds like that, it's just not doing a whole lot. Okay, so this cruiser's just going YOLO with them. I think I gotta stay around decent numbers here. See if we can fire over this. Yeah, we should be able to. Oh, come on. We need those. No hits. Incoming dive bombers. Launch the fighter. Are we gonna shoot any of them down? That's the question. The AA sounds pretty good. Dive bombers missed. Not gonna be able to shoot over that. One plane. And well after the fact that after they had... We did about nothing. Our fighter's chasing them down, though. Alright, it's time to start wrecking stuff, guys. Yeah, we forgot the defensive fire consumable. I do that. Like, I forget a lot of things, and that seems to be the one I forget the most, and that can have such a big impact. It's rather amateur, really. Alright, Phoenix... Is he going reverse or is he stopped? He's full stop, there's no smoke. We gotta aim a little lower. Come on, get the kill. Get the kill! Almost. Almost isn't getting the kill, though. He's turning in. We're gonna deal with this Furutaka. We're gonna slow down to half. Is it just like me? 63 hits, man. Those were just badly aimed. Too shortish. I don't know what it is, man. I hit to the citadel, there we go. About time though, right? Alright, get the final kill at least. Nope, not to be, not today, boys. Switch to HE. Insanity's doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results, right? Well, then I reckon we gotta change up our tactics. And as far as the game's going, we're knocking out more ships. They still have the cap advantage. Incoming torch from a Mutsuki, so decent range. Where's he going? What was that? What did that guy just say? Hey. Get these dive bombers.
Let's give them a hard time.
Let's give them a hard time. So by pressing F10, it does something weird. Yeah, there should be Stukas. Not really like a naval ship, but... Come on, baby. Wreck him. Wreck the Nicholas. I'm outside of his torpedo range, I know that much. Damn smoke. Them damn torpedo smoke. Give me some hits. Nothing? No love? Ain't no love? We ain't getting no love? New Mexico coming in? Oh, a carrier hiding out. That is a ripe target. We've been detected by that little destroyer. I can't get really a feeling for where that New Mexico is gonna be. I'm gonna just hope to get lucky. Sometimes you gotta be a little lucky. Alright, here we go, Mr. Mutsuki. If I hit you, you got 2,900, I just need 2. We started a fire on the New Mexico. Alright, I can't see that guy. Alright. The Bogue's trying to hide. We just need probably 2 hits. Set another fire.
About to win.
We need to kill that guy, and we need to kill that guy. Come on, kill him! Come on! Give me them hits. Oh yeah, that's why. We're not really accounting for the speed of these guys. Oh shit! Oh. He's dead. Torpedoes in the water. Where? Okay, good. Alright, here we go. I don't even think I'm gonna get this guy. I'm just not on my game tonight, boys and girls and ladies and people of all ages. Alright, New Mexico. Let's see what we got. So to turn in, yeah, I think we gotta take B. Then I've got some ships back here to shoot at. Good, there we go. 7 hits. That's pretty accurate. He's turning in. What am I shooting at? Those guys are just kind of flying blind, so there'll be free XP. Except I don't get it. An Aoba, a Furutaka, and a New Mexico. I'm feeling pretty good. My A is just going off right now. I'm gonna let them do their thing. RNGesus has not been with us, guys. RNGesus. Yeah, potential kills being taken, but that's because, like, that's me. That's on me. Like, I need to recognize those, like, 10, 20 seconds earlier than I am. Like, look at that. I'm almost sailing on a freaking island. I'm just not on my game right now. But maybe this Furutaka. But I mean, as far as damage-wise, we're doing damage. Look at this, over 112 hits.
Fighter ready for takeoff.
Fighter's ready for takeoff, Baron. Are you ready to take him off? Alright, we're gonna be dealing with the battleship duel over there, so I got time. He's gonna be focused on that other guy. Come on, give me some good hits. What's my torpedo range? 6 kilometers. Okay. Now would be not a bad time to use AP. I just don't trust him anymore. He's turning away. He should be dead. Oh my gosh, please.
Our victory is in sight.
Can we get the torpedoes? Or is that battleship gonna take our kill? Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Look at that, 4 torpedoes would have hit. He just needed some more hit points. Let's see, yeah, let's turn back around. The German cruisers don't like me. They just don't. Oh, the Furutaka has escaped us.
Concentrate fire on the target.
Concentrate firepower on this Aoba. Alright. I gotta get 1 kill, guys. It's just gotta happen. Let's see. RNGesus, why do you not love me? Have I not prayed to you daily? Seeking your favor? Oh god. There's a carry back there. Full stop. Fire on the Bogue. Rotate the turrets. Launch the fighters. Hydrostatic search. Do all of the things. And he's full steam ahead. Yeah, we've been detected. And it don't matter. I'm kind of disappointed, really, with the torpedoes. That would have been, I mean, the fact that we didn't hit them earlier. There we go, starting some fires. I don't really want to keep going backwards. Look at those fires, yeah. Look at that New Mexico, like, yes! We are missing it. Oh my gosh. Come on. There we go. 3,900. Fires! It's not my day. It's just not my day. 153 hits. We gotta figure out what the deal is. 990, that guy's dead. We got 0 kills. Baron Von Assist is right. If there was assists, look at that, 0 stuff. How's the team score though? How do we do? Enough for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th place. We shot down 2 planes though. Detailed report. Ah. Ooh, man, I don't know. Using the wrong shells at the wrong times, just a whole lot of derps. Good game for assists indeed. Look at that. 31 hits on a Furutaka. What? 67 hits on a Furutaka. That's when we were firing lots of AP. 67 hits. We were not doing the right thing, that's for sure. Alright, tier. Alright, let's see.